everyone, and welcome to another episode of Riding the Reaper. The tow truck with the flatbed or the tow truck people with the flatbed have just arrived. They are downstairs, and we are going to go down now to pull the Reaper onto the tow truck, onto the flatbed, and then take it through to triangle transmission and get it sorted. So yeah, let's go and meet them and see what's what. Right guys, so as you can see behind me, we've just dropped the car off at triangle transmission. I keep getting that shit wrong. So as you can see here, if we take a look, there she is standing right over there. She's just parked up on the hill. They're gonna obviously roll her in, and once she's rolled in, they're gonna drop the box, and then they're gonna tell me exactly what's going for what. So they said the whole process will take between 7 to 10 days, and then obviously tell me what's wrong with the car, if the torque converter's shot, or if the clutches or whatever, and then we'll take it from there. So I had the car now in this condition for about 3 weeks, so 10 days is not going to be an issue. Hopefully it doesn't take longer to fix. Hopefully it's something stupid, but yeah. Triangle transmission, anything transmission related, as you can see, they torque converter, automatic gearboxes, those kinds of things, give these guys a shout out. I've heard great things about them. They are doing a great job so far. They've been really professional, really spot on with their service. So yeah, give these guys a huge shout out, and definitely come and check their place out. They're really good. As you can see behind me, you can see all these cars, so you know how good they are if they got all these cars out here, you know what I mean? Lots of people put their trust in these people, so yeah, they're really cool. Like I said, really good service, awesome service so far, really professional. And yeah, once the car's all sorted, we'll see what they say, and hopefully it's not too much, because these things can get really expensive with transmissions, rebuilding, and those kinds of things. Torque converters, clutch kits, and you know, the entire works. But yeah, just want to say thanks, just a huge thanks to AMMtowing. Those two guys, they were really legit. They sorted the thing out really fast. They were really professional as well. Dropped the car for me without any damages to the car. They've got 100% no damage pass rate, so that's really cool. and yeah, they sorted everything out for me. So yeah, I'm on the way back home now. I'm just gonna go say goodbye to my baby and then go home and get another couple of things sorted out. I also got a huge surprise for you guys as well. I got something in the mail that's gonna be another unboxing, so I'll show you that as well. So there she is, guys, all dirty because I haven't washed her since she's obviously been standing still. I didn't want to wash her, and then she stands here and gets dirty as well. So I'll just wait until they're completely done with her and then give her a nice detailing, give her a nice wash, because as you can see, she is a dirty girl right now. So yeah, that's it for now, guys. Just a short video for an update on the car. I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap this thing up. So yeah, just a wrap up, guys. Car is now officially at triangle transmission, and she is going in. So hopefully she'll be on the road soon. Just like I said, just an update for you guys on what's happening. So anyway, hope to see you guys again soon on the roads and on the meets and on the runs. Anyway, guys, riding the Reaper. Peace out.